Picture this. You're working on a large project at your scroll saw. Lots of blade changes and inside cuts. Now, what if you could dramatically reduce the time spent adjusting blades? Interested yet? Say hello to Jet's 22-inch scroll saw. Combining best-in-class features with innovation and thoughtful design to create the machine you've been waiting for. They say if you really want to improve something, start at its weakest point. So that's exactly what we've done, combining the clamping and tensioning of the blade into one step. This exclusive game-changing feature can only be found on the Jet scroll saw. The Jet scroll saw is designed to make the blade change process as efficient as possible. In addition to the upper mechanism, the toolless lower blade holder is removable and the table features a slot for the blade. The blade storage system is fantastic. The simple innovation delivers additional convenience for your scrolling experience. There are the traditional holes for bulk blade storage and also slots where you can place preloaded lower blade holders. Keeping your blades organized and ready to go reduces setup time. And it even comes with a built-in wrench designed for the lower blade holder. Simply place the lower blade holder in the opening and with a few simple twists, swap out the blades. No tools needed. We should also mention that the large 12 7/8 by 23-inch cast iron table provides a stable working surface designed to limit vibration. Less vibration means better cut quality and superior finished product. The features don't stop there. This saw offers 22 inches of throat capacity and an arm that tilts 40 degrees left and 45 degrees right. But don't forget about the dust collection. This saw features an onboard blower coupled with a custom-fit collection tray connected to a removable dust port. This saw is designed to optimize your scrolling experience. From the variable speed range to a top lift, spring-loaded arm, it comes fully loaded with all the features you'd expect. All of this is backed by Jet's industry-leading 5-year warranty. When you've decided that you want more than the status quo, check out the Jet 22-inch scroll saw. Visit jettools.com to see more information and find a dealer.